In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically sort emails into folders in Outlook. This process can help you manage your emails more efficiently, allowing you to focus on what's important. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a browser, navigate to the Outlook website and locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Give that a click and proceed to log in with your email address and password. If you're already logged in, great, you're all set to go. Once you've logged into your Outlook account, your next step is to click on the settings icon. You'll find this at the top right of your screen, and it usually looks like a small gear. Clicking on it will open a drop down menu or sidebar depending on your setup. Here is where you'll be setting up the rules that will automatically organize your emails for you. In the settings menu, look for an option called Rules. This is an essential tool in Outlook that allows you to automate various email tasks. Click on it and you'll be transported to the Rules Management page. Here you can manage existing rules or create new ones, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. To create a new rule, you will see an option to add a new rule. Click on Add New Rule and a new window or panel will appear where you can fill in the details of your rule. Start by naming your rule. The name is important as it helps you identify what this rule does. So make it descriptive. For instance, if the rule sorts emails from a specific sender, you might name it after the sender or the context of those emails. After naming your rule, it's time to set a condition. This condition tells Outlook under what circumstances it should apply this rule. Click on Add a Condition and you'll see options like From, Subject and more. Let's use From as an example. Picking From will allow us to specify particular email addresses that trigger this rule. Now enter the email address or addresses that should trigger the rule under the From condition. This setup means that any email you receive from these specified addresses will be automatically sorted based on the rule you're creating. Next, it's time to define what happens when this condition is met. Click on Add Action and you'll get a list of potential actions. For this example, choose Move To. This action will move emails from the specified sender to a designated folder. Then select the folder you want these emails to go into. If you have an archive folder, that's a good example to use. This choice helps keep your inbox clean while ensuring you can find these emails readily in the folder you've picked. Finally, there's nothing left to do but save your rule. Look for the Save button, click it, and voila! Your emails will now be automatically sorted into the folder you specified whenever they meet the conditions you've set. And there you have it. By setting up rules in Outlook, you'll be on your way to a more organized and manageable inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself.